Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show you around this 3008 in the active specification. So we've taken this car in part exchange and it's got a full service history with Howard's. Its features include 17-inch alloy wheels and reverse parking sensors. Inside the car, the radio has CD player and Bluetooth. And on top of this, there's air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers. You get cruise control and speed limiter. The car is just £20 a year to tax. So let's have a look around. This car has the 1.6 litre Blue HDI engine that gives you 120 horsepower. There's a 6-speed manual gearbox. The car's done under 18,500 miles. And if it's of interest to you, then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.